Hi everyone, my name is Melike Ceren. I am the marketing manager at Lesaffre. Lesaffre has been making yeast for over 170 years, but actually we are much more than yeast. We offer cleanable dough improvers, enzymes, sourdough, and fortification solutions. You must be thinking there are many suppliers you can get those products. Why should you work with Lesaffre? And this is why you should visit our booth at IBIE to explore the advantages of baking with Lesaffre. We designed a program to provide bakers like you with the knowledge and the tools you need to create truly exceptional baked goods and transform your baking. It is based on the challenges you are facing today and the expectations of your consumers. Our commitment is to give you the keys to baking success within 6 pillars. We offer cleanable and fortification solutions to empower you to support consumer wellness. The soft teams are working hard towards eco-friendly, responsible baking that nourishes the world. You face enough challenges every day. We are developing solutions that require less time and effort to create delicious breads. Bake for smile with authentic flavors, colors, textures that stimulate 5 senses. Optimizing costs, maximizing performance, reducing waste. Let's discover ways together to bake it smart. Consumers want to know more about what they are eating and what is more important than keeping people safe. At Lesaffre, taking a safety first culture to heart so you can bake it safe with confidence. Today's challenging baking environment is pushing bakers to find a partner rather than a product supplier. With our expert R&D, technical, sales, and marketing teams, your partner is looking forward to meeting you at our booth 2201 this September. Stop by to say hello.